So guys, I'm going to show you in this video how we can use the OBS Virtual camera on Omegle. Firstly, you'll have to install the OBS Studio. Just go to the link in the description and then download it and install. And we'll need this file called OBS Studio registry files. And you'll also get this file in the link in the description box. Just download it. And this file is in zip form, so I'm just going to firstly extract. Okay, extract. And we have got the extracted folder here, you can see. So just open it. And we have got the fixer files here, and this is the registry keys for OBS camera. These files register your OBS camera to the computer, so just execute them. Yes, okay. And then for the second file, yes, okay. Now the OBS camera has been registered. Now just close it. What you're gonna do now is just go to the search box here and type in here device manager, and go to device manager and come to the cameras here and then expand the cameras option and disable all the cameras that you have right now. Disable. And this one also. Okay, and then minimize it. We're gonna come back to this later. Now launch your browser. So the first thing you wanna do here is go to settings of your browser and then search your camera on the settings and go to site settings, scroll down and then go to camera. Now as you can see here, the camera has been selected as SD webcam C252. If it's not selected in your case, just click on this drop down arrow and then select this option SD webcam C252. After you have done this, just open new tab and then go to Omegle. Start the video chat. Allow the camera. As you can see, it has selected the OBS camera here, and I have blurred the video from other person's side. You can just stop here and just stop here. Now keep it like this. Don't do anything here. Don't refresh the page or don't close the browser. Just minimize it. Now go to your device manager back and then enable this default camera of your PC. That is the integrated camera in my case. You might have any other names for this integrated camera, but it must be your default camera here. And you can keep other cameras as disabled. Okay, just close it. Now launch the OBS Studio. Now come to the sources option here and then click on plus and select the video capture device. And you can name this my video. And you're gonna select the device here as your integrated camera. That is the default camera. Okay. Expand this screen. Now I'm gonna add another source here. Just click here plus and I'm gonna select the media source. Okay, let's browse the file from my computer. You can choose any image or videos that you like. I have chosen a GIF file here. You can choose any image, videos, photos or GIFs or clips that you like. Okay, you can adjust this GIF as you like. I'm gonna keep it here. Let's go to the Omegle site right now. You can see the video has not loaded yet, so minimize it. So what you're gonna do now is come to OBS and then click on this Start Virtual Cam option here. Now minimize it and then go to Omegle site. Now you can see here the OBS Virtual Camera is live on Omegle and you can use it. So click on New and it works perfectly. And you can tweak any settings from here. All these settings will be applied on your Omegle. Let me show you. You can see it works perfectly. So that's the way guys how you can use OBS Virtual Cam on Omegle. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.